Acne is more than just pimples. It can include whiteheads, blackheads, and red inflamed patches. It's not just a condition that people suffer from in their youth. Acne can actually follow you well into adulthood. Acne keeps you from looking your best and it's often very difficult to get rid of. Many doctors will try to sell you treatments that may work, but these natural remedies are all you need to get a beautiful and acne-free skin. Baking soda masks can be very helpful when trying to get rid of acne. It's also very inexpensive. It takes care of most breakouts, eliminates inflammations, and even takes off dead skin. Take 1 or 2 teaspoons of baking soda and mix with warm water. Then put the paste over your skin. It's important to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for the first time because the tingling can be very powerful. Tea tree oil can be found in your local grocery store or pharmacy. This remedy is relatively inexpensive. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with half a cup of water, then take a cotton ball and dip it into the solution. Apply to the affected areas. After 1 or 2 applications, you should see improvement in your acne. Egg white is another great facial mark solution to acne. All you have to do for these facial marks is to separate the whites from the yolk, take a cotton ball and dip it into the egg whites so that you can apply it on your face. The egg white will tighten as they dry, but it's completely natural and you can leave these facial marks up to an hour before washing it off.